It's Tommy here. I hope you're all doing great. First of all, I want to say sorry for not posting for a while. I've been a bit busy with some personal stuff and needed time to rest, but now I'm back and ready to draw again. For this video, I wanted to make something cozy and relaxing, so I drew Alex from Stardew Valley. He's one of my favorite characters, especially in autumn. I really like how his design fits with the warm colors of the season. The reds, oranges, and greens just feel perfect together. I tried to give the background a soft autumn vibe, like those calm afternoons in Pelican Town when everything feels peaceful. You can almost hear the leaves falling and the wind moving through the fields, right? While I was drawing this, I realized how much I missed making these kinds of videos, just relaxing, painting, and sharing it with you all. I hope you like this piece. I had a lot of fun working on it. I'll be back to posting regularly again, with more speed paints, tutorials, and maybe some new projects too. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting me even when I'm not super active. You guys mean a lot to me. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated. See you soon in the next video. Take care and have a cozy autumn day.